Jump serving in volleyball is a powerful skill that adds speed and unpredictability to your serve. To begin, you're going to start by positioning yourself behind the end line, ensuring that you have enough space to gather momentum. You're going to hold the ball with your non-dominant hand in front of you and then prepare your dominant hand for the serve. Now, as you start the approach, you're going to take a few steps towards the net, gradually building speed. All right? The key is to have a smooth, controlled approach. Where your last step is a large, explosive one. As you plant your foot in for the jump, toss the ball in front of you, aiming for the spot just above your head. That's the trick. At the peak of the jump, make contact with the ball using the heel of your hand. That's how you get the striking power. The goal is to create top spin, which causes the ball to dip quickly across the net. It makes it more difficult for the receiving team to return it. So make sure your hand follows through with your body rotating slightly to help add force to the serve. After serving, quickly regain your balance and prepare for the next play. With practice, your jump serve will become consistent and efficient as a weapon in volleyball.